In front of me is OUKITEL C33, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location of this device. First of all, go into Tab menu and look for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now black. That means that location is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can also go into Settings, scroll all the way down and click on Location section. Then click on this switcher next to Use Location to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!